Hello,
Hello,
Anika,
how are
how are
you?
you? Good, good. Ah,
Yesterday we have started with the lab part. Okay, I think most of the part was not clear because my board was not working fine that time. So I was not
okay,
able to clear it. Some more doubts about your. So let's start with the lab part. Okay, then
okay.
we will start. See, what I feel that you're not from a technical field, so you are very much confused
Yeah.
between database, relational database, no SQL database. So it's better that I will give you first understanding of what is database, how, why it is important, and everything, and
Uh-huh.
relational database, what is no SQL database. Okay, then
Yes.
I'll again explain you this relational part. Okay, means till now what we have done, I started directly from the AWS services. Okay, so AWS
Okay.
provides relational databases
Uh-huh.
as well as multiple databases options. So I started directly with AWS service. So because you are very much new to this technical subject, so I'll start it from very much basics. Okay, that will include databases, relational databases, SQL databases, no SQL databases. Then we'll start with DynamoDB. Okay, so if you are very much clear with what are databases, then relationals, SQL, no SQL, DynamoDB, then it will be easier for you to understand how to use as in the form of AWS services. Because
Oh, yeah. Makes
you
sense.
have never used MySQL database.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Have you used it or not?
No, I haven't used it.
Yeah, that's why you are very much confused with the relational based database system. So no issue. We can start it from very much basics, like starting what is the database. Okay. Then we will
Okay.
flow the. It may take because you have mentioned directly about the topics, specific topics. So I have planned the 10 classes according to them. Okay. But because we'll start with the database, so I think we need much more classes,
Uh-huh.
the topics. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll go very much from the basics and then we can continue with the main topics that you have specified. Okay.
Perfect.
Just finish one topic. The topic we were dealing with was relational database management system. Okay. We have seen its theoretical part, like how in AWS we require it and what all things we need to do. So first I'm completing its lab, like how you can integrate it. Okay. Then
Okay.
directly move to the basics parts. And if you then feel like after completing the basics, you need a revision of this part, you can watch the previous lecture
Mm-hmm.
because all are recorded. And then you feel any issue in this topic again, just let me know. I'll take another class regarding this topic. Okay?
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay, just give me a minute. So I'll share you the screen. So you are able to see the screen of
Uh-huh.
AWS.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm starting it from very much starting. Still, you face any issue, just let me know. So today, what we will study mainly, we want to integrate. our Windows server, okay,
Okay.
with AWS RDS service. So in this relational database service, we will take a database service or database engine, you can say, MySQL. So we will create an EC2 instance. Okay, we will create a complete EC2 instance in which this MySQL database will be running. So now what we have to do, this MySQL is running inside AWS on internet, right? Now
Okay.
on that this MySQL we can easily access through our command line inside the Windows server. And as soon we write MySQL inside the CLI, okay, in the CLI, we can all the things. We can create the database inside our Windows server, and it is getting stored again in the AWS. So we need to do the connectivity between the AWS server and Windows server. This is the local server, you can say. This is your local server. It is running inside your computer, your Windows. Okay,
Got it.
using Windows, right? Not Linux.
Yeah, I will be using Windows.
Okay, so this will be your local server, and this is AWS, which is running on internet or online, you can say, or you can say this is running remotely, remote server. Getting it? So we
Yes.
connect our Windows with AWS RDS service. Getting it?
Yeah.
So first thing what we will do, we will go to the RDS panel. So in as soon as you click on the services, they will ask you for the storage, or you can say databases. There you will find this RDS option. So directly go on the RDS option, and as soon as you click on the RDS option, okay, they will show you to create a database.
Perfect.
You can see multiple options are given. So because I have discussed everything in the theoretical part, so I'm just showing you here that databases, we know what we have to create, right? Inside this, we will create a database. We have seen what are snapshots. You can take the snapshots of the data set, right? These are automated backups that we can take. Okay, subnet group custom availability zone. If you want multi availability zone service, you can go and check here. Okay, so these options we are clear now. Clear?
Clear.
Then we have to, if you want to see the snapshots, if there any snapshots are there, you can create either manual snapshots you can create, or backup service you can create for backup snapshots. Okay. Now, thing I told you is automatic backups, right? You can create automatic backups here. This restorable time, latest restorable time, which engine you want to create, everything you can easily see in this dashboard. Now, if our main aim is to create a dashboard, so we will just click on create dashboard. Sorry, database. So, see this screen you will able to see. Inside, what we have to do, first of all, we have to select what type of data set we want to create.
Okay, got it. The type of data.
Okay, so they are asking you want to create a standard or the easy create. So just read what it is written. You set all the configuration options, including ones for availability, security, backups, and maintenance. And easy create means use recommended best practice configuration. Some configuration options can be changed after the database is created. So one is saying that you have to select everything by your own, according to your preference. And here, when you will use this option, we will give you all the best parameters already selected. If you just want to practice, Here you have to select every parameter by your own, the availability zones, the security, you want to select the security completely, backups, maintenance. And here in the easy create, they will automatically select them the best parameters by own, so that anyone which is a new user here or is trying to learn something regarding the RDS environment, so they don't have very much confusion in selecting the options. Getting it?
Got it.
So we will see, we have selected standard create, MySQL we have selected from the engines.
Okay.
Then we have to sell after MySQL we have selected. Another thing what we need here, the templates I told you. They will provide you 3 templates. We have discussed this in the theoretical part. Production template, dev or test template or free tier. Because we are very much new and just we want to do the hands-on experience on RDS. That's why we will go with the free tier one.
Okay. Makes sense. Free tier.
Now you can just give any name to your database. So we are giving a database one name. You have to say any admin name you can give, any name and password you want to give to your database for protection. Okay, so give a username, your password. Okay, so that, see, you should not include any slash or quotes here. Now, instance size, you have to select which instance size you want to take, because we are using 3-tier version. That's why these options are already enabled. So we can only select burstable class. So we will check which options for the selection of size is given. Size means the amount of data you can store. So they are showing here the amount of data you can store, 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU. Storage type you can select either general purpose or provisions. So we are taking general purpose.
Okay.
Use auto scaling, but we don't want auto scaling. Then multi availability zones. We are not selecting any multi availability zones here. Then the connectivity. Connectivity is very much important because we need to connect between 2 servers. One is the AWS server and another one is Windows server, right? Just give me a second. Yeah. You're able to see the screen?
Yes. So we are in connectivity.
Connectivity. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have to connect the server. That's why we need to set the connectivity issues. So in connectivity, what we are seeing, we have to select a subnet group. You are very much familiar with subnet group? VPC.
Yeah, the subnet group.
Yeah, that's used for connections purposes, right? You're clear? Okay.
Yes.
So next, publicly accessible. So we are saying yes, it should be publicly accessible. Now they will ask you, you want to create a VPC security group or not? So if you already have a VPC security group, you can select here. If you want to create a new, you can select this option.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so you can just give a security name, VPC group name, because you're creating a new one. So you can just create a group name. So I'm taking is my RDS group. Then the availability zone, in which zone you want. So you can apply the zone. Database portal, they will automatically select for you. You don't have to take care of that.
Okay, got it.
Availability zone, VPC name is done. Then data authenticity. Now, if you want to give initial database name to your database, you can give it. Backup, if you want, you can select the enable automatic backup or leave it. These are the log exports. We don't want to export any logs right now. If you want, you can just select it. For maintenance, we want a maintenance window right at this stage. We don't want, so we're enabling it. Now maintenance window we have not selected, so these options are of no use to us. So
I have a question before.
yeah.
Yeah. Did you enable the backup, the automatic backups?
See, we have to select the option of automatic backup.
Oh, okay.
So right now I'm not taking any backup, but if you want in your system, you can take the automatic backup. But they will charge you, okay? Be careful about that. Okay?
Okay.
So as soon as you click on the create database button, they will start creating your database. So see,
Okay.
your database
Yeah.
is created. MySQL community, because your engine you are using was the MySQL engine. MySQL database you want to create. Availability zone, size, what size of database you are taking. Size means in how much memory or how much storage you want, how much processing unit you want. All these things will come in. This is you can say this is an EC2 instance. Okay, size.
Perfect.
So once it is created, the database, you should get this message of successful creation. So now you can check if they are creating complete database. These are the things they are providing. See, this is the endpoint. This is the final address of your database where database is getting stored. So this is very much important. You need to copy it so that later on if you want to go and check your database at this address, you can check. Now this is a security group. They are creating VPC security group. Okay. See what happens. You can understand VPC as a security code. Okay, try to understand
Okay.
this way. See, VPC is a password, you can say, or security code.
Yeah. Mimes is getting created. I mean, I don't know how much it will take.
No issue, just try to understand the concepts, then you
Okay.
easily create them. So, VPC is like a password. So, from one server, say you can say server AWS, okay, you want a file, say RDS file, to be operated on another server, say Windows server. Right now we are taking Windows server, right? So you need the username, password, VPC, address, all the things of this AWS RDS server so that you can access it on another server. We have set the username, we have set the password, we have selected the VPC, we have selected this address here, the endpoint address I'm talking about.
Okay.
Access anything from this server regarding this RDS service. So all the things that you have specified regarding the security, okay, you should be able to provide it here also in the Windows server. Only then they will connect you with the AWS service. Getting it?
Okay, got it.
So now we will set the security group. Okay, just click on the security group part. See, are you right now creating it?
Let me see if it is already created.
Well, okay. If you want to do it with my system, okay, it's okay. Do as soon as it is created, let me know, because you are doing the lab right now, so no issue.
Console. I think mine was. Already created. Okay.
Is it created?
Yes. Uh-huh.
It's working fine.
Yeah, you got the endpoint.
You are able to see this screen. Let me just show you again. This screen you are able to see.
Yes, yes. I'm able to see your screen. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah. Got the
Same.
endpoint. Yeah, everything.
Now you have to go on this VPC security group part.
Okay.
So here they have mentioned that there is a VPC security group that is enabled. Okay. And this
Uh-huh.
will be active. So you just have to go and click here because you will change some settings in your security VPC
Mm-hmm.
so that we can access it on other Windows server. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
It again. So you can see this similar screen onto your desktop.
Uh-huh.
Click
Yes.
the security button. Okay.
Okay.
As soon as you click on this, you will see one security group is created. So you have to go down here and they will open description inbound and outbound. So you have to go inside inbounds. Here you have to select, because we are using RDP service. So you have to select the RDP service. Then you have to select HTTP, add another rule, which will be HTTPS. Okay, so three rules you are able to see on my screen. I'm pausing it here so that you are also able to do these things. So one rule you have added is MySQL authority, then RDP, HTTP, and HTTPS.
HTTPS. HTTPS. HTTPS custom, right?
Yeah, just select all the three.
Okay. Got it.
So you have done till now, till here, everything is clear.
Yeah, everything is clear. So RDP, HTTP, and HTTPS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then after that, you have to select these options. From anywhere you can access them. The source should be anywhere. Okay? And then you just have to save it.
Anywhere. Got
You have to select anywhere, okay, in the sources.
yeah. Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, just take your time. Just let me know if you're doing with me, so I'll give you the time to implement also.
RDP, HTTPS. Okay, did it. You got it in mute. Oh, okay.
Yeah, everything is clear.
Yeah.
You have created the security groups.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now our security group is also ready. Okay, this is the security group. Remember it. It is my the name you have given of your security group. This is the VPC ID. You are the owner. Okay.
Okay.
Now we can just move to the next step. So now what we want, we have to go to the EC2 service. So inside this EC2 service, you will see the instances running. Okay, so now we will launch one instance. Okay, so I'm just pausing it. You also reach to this page.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm in that page. Mm-hmm.
So now what you can see, you have to select AMI machine. So because you are using the Windows server, that's why we will select this one, Microsoft Windows Server 2000, any of the base, okay, of Windows Server.
Got it.
We have selected it. Now you want a T2 micro service, that is free one. Okay, you can just go and select that service. After configuration instance, you have to configure everything. So inside this subnet, you have to provide the subnet that you have created, or any subnet name you can give. Okay, so creating a new subnet here. Then auto assign the IP to the subnet we have already created. Now we have to add the storage. So for storage,
I have a question.
Yeah, just
Sorry. The instance has to be in the same availability zone or database.
obviously.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Just asking.
Okay, you can't keep. Okay, see, I told you this is the availability zone. This is the EC2 instance. This is the EBS instance, and inside this EBS instance, our database is running. So if it is not inside this EC2, how you will able to create it? So they should be, they are all interconnected. EC2 is inside your this database is inside this. Okay, so everything should be in one single availability zone. Is it clear?
Yeah, but
Any
okay.
doubts?
Well, I mean, I'm creating this instance, and automatically it's gonna be RDS instance, an RDS instance, right?
Yes, because see, how you will know this? See, you're selecting this EC2 instance. Okay, because you are in this availability zone, right? Yeah. So you are selecting this EC2 instance, okay, and you are connecting this VPC that you have right now created with this EC2 instance. EC2 instance, RDS, VPC. So VPC is the same in between these and these, the security subnet you are adding. So here you are providing this subnet value here also. Okay, so this subnet value will connect this EC2 with this RDS.
Okay.
I think you need a class regarding this EC2 also.
Really?
Actually, because I feel some of the concepts regarding the connectivity, like how EC2 actually works. Okay, and how it is taking and all the information from other AWS services. That you need to know about EC2, like how it is working, what is means the core fundamentals of EC2. Why we are using EC2 main concept is that.
Oh, because I mean, I took several classes of easy to.
Maybe you have taken the classes regarding the most advanced part, but I feel like some of the basic things like this connectivity issues and auto scaling concepts regarding EC2 and other major services, you need a bit more clarity regarding the core of.
Oh, okay. We can
Maybe,
include it.
yeah, see, actually, what I feel, we are dealing with the most advanced topics. Okay.
Okay.
If you will study, no, the Lambda is the last advanced topic of AWS. So we are in the last section of the AWS content. But
Yeah.
these all are actually very much connected to the basic services like EC2, EBS, S3 bucket, all these services, auto scaling concepts, right? So we need to have very good knowledge about these fundamentals, then only we'll be able to understand them. Okay, so let's see what we can, because I have seen this relational database concept. Okay, the database is completely the advanced topic if you enter into the exam level. Okay, so you are not very much clear about databases right now. You are not able to understand what is relational database effectively, how it is working with AWS. Because I think the major problem is that you are a non-technical guy.
No, I'm not a technical.
So you're a technical person.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. So you need to know what is database, what is relational database, what is NoSQL. So all these things actually we study in our engineering in our graduation period. We have a subject complete subject of database.
Wow.
Okay, so we study there. That's why we have a good knowledge about everything regarding this database. Now, if we want, we can apply all the knowledge about database into any of the services, right? Either you can say Amazon, either you say Microsoft, either you say Facebook. But
Okay, perfect.
concept is not clear, then it is no use of using any service, right?
So do you think? I mean, we can rearrange the topics. Maybe like
Actually, what I
starting
feel,
tomorrow.
yeah, what I feel that as we are forwarding, okay, and as I feel like we need to add any topic regarding a basic concept, like I felt that you should know what is database first, because I have taken the main advanced topic, that is relational database, okay, which is type of database, okay. So I felt
Okay.
while working with you that you are not clear with what is database, like you don't
Okay.
know what is the scenario in a database. Okay, so all these, if you don't know, then studying the types of database and creating it would be very much difficult when it comes to the exam purpose. For exam purpose, you should know the basic theoretical information much more.
Okay, got it.
Very much easy. You have to just go and click some of the instances and take the services, and you are able to do it within 10 minutes. But if
Yeah.
applying for an exam or anything, especially regarding AWS exams and interview, you should know what is database first of all. Then you will able to explain like it is of relational type, it is of NoSQL type, and all those things.
Okay, perfect. So, I mean, so we can rearrange the topics and then we can go with the basics, because I mean, if we progress, then I mean, I'm gonna be missing the basics. So we can rearrange the topics, so we can put or add the basic ones.
See, what topics are just given me for the study purpose? So we have completed SQS,
Yes.
we've seen SNS, and now we are on database part. Okay, all the databases you want to cover. Okay, this multiple databases will come. Then you have say you are talking about serverless concept. So actually this serverless concept and API gateway concept comes before all this. Okay. Then security identity also comes here. Security identity you want to understand. Then
Mm-hmm.
sciences, migration, transfer services, all those you need to understand regarding the Lambda function, right? Lambda function will be
Yes.
the last one because it is the advanced topic of AWS. So I need to check once, like I'll arrange a schedule for you, like what all topics. See, just let me know what all you know right now. Please just let me finish this lab first, then you discuss all these things, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So we were here, right? We have to create this VPC concept. Okay, we have created the VPC. Now we want to do you have to add a tag. You can just easily add a tag here. Okay, so adding a tag. I told you why we add a tag. See, tags are usually added so that because there will be multiple of see inside this EC2, okay, and inside this RDS there will be multiple of databases. If you provide a particular tag to a particular database, say DB1, you are giving any name, then you know that in this DB1 what information is there. So
Okay,
they
perfect.
are doing nothing, they are just providing a management view to you. It is used for management purpose. Okay. So you
Okay,
will add, you can say a tag or a label. You can check. Okay. What the
got it.
DS consists of. Okay. So once you have created the RDS server you are creating, so now we will just review and launch it. Your AWS configuration. So if you want to create a security group, okay, we have already created a security group and we are taking this one. So it involves HTTP and HTTPS. Both it considering the same security group that we have taken, and then you launch it. So now you can check all the things and just click on launch. Now they will ask you for the new security key pair. So either you can create or take the previously one. So I'm just creating a new one for my Windows server. So window key pair. Okay, so I'm just downloading the key. So you see, just your key file should be in .tem format, not in ppk format. Okay, so your key is now downloaded and now you have to view the instance. So now my instance is creating. You can just give any name to your instance, EC2 instance. Now you have created your EC2 instance.
Yeah, it's running. So you unmute.
This EC2 instance is created.
Yes, yes.
Fine. Now what we need to do, once the EC2 instance is connected, now we have to connect it with the Windows server. So you can see the option called connect here. You have to just go there.
Okay.
And you have to download remote desktop file. Okay, and get the password of this EC2 instance.
Okay,
So
so
there will be a key value pair we have created. So you have to select that same file here, and they will just decrypt the password, and you have to copy this password somewhere and keep it. This password.
okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
Do I have to download the remote desktop file?
Yes.
Because it's asking me, maybe I have a problem with my computer because it's asking me for a password, administrator password.
Share me your screen.
Okay, just one moment. You have to give me the rights. Okay. Okay, I got it. So when I click on download desktop,
So they will download a file, and you have to provide your like as is, because you have to provide the password of your computer.
my computer, right?
Yeah,
Because it doesn't have a
because
password. Like,
they require administration permission.
damn, man. I don't know why they asking me because it doesn't have a password when I log into my computer.
So they are asking you for the EC2 AWS password. So you have created the EC2 instance, right? So they
Uh-huh.
have given a password. Just write that password here.
The password that I created when I was doing the database.
Yes. Actually, they require these credentials will be used to connect EC2 instance. I think so. They need your administrator password, the password you have created. Just let me check. Please, EC2
For
instance.
use to connect. Did not work. Please enter new credentials. Maybe the credentials.
Okay, just go there in your user on your AWS screen. Just cross it here. Cancel this window.
Okay.
Just go down. Okay. So get password. Just click on get password. Uh, browse. Go on browse. The file you have downloaded right now. The security instance file you have downloaded. .pem file you have downloaded, right? You have created a
Yeah.
security.
Yeah. Let me see. Because I use the existing key. So
Yeah, just select that.
let me see. No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, that one. Okay.
Okay, go down. Not in this like side one on the windows. No, no, no. Actually, I'm saying, yeah, just click on decrypt password.
Right here. Okay.
Now copy this password.
Oh, okay.
Okay, just go and now click on download remote desktop file. Now open it. Now paste this password here. Hopefully it should work.
Oh, it works. Okay.
Now the identify the remote computer cannot be verified. Do you want to connect anyway? Right? Okay. Just say yes. Now it is connecting with your remote server.
Wow. So cool.
You're so happy. I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now
So.
they are able
Oh,
to
wow.
see this a new screen has come up. So this is your, you can say, this is your complete AWS EC2 instance running on your computer.
Wow. So I am in the EC2. Okay. Wow. That's a new experience.
Okay. Now I'll show you the next steps. Okay. Now just make me the host again.
Yes. Okay. Oh, sure. Huh. Let me see. Okay, so this is this. So I can create folders and.
Just make me the host again.
Okay. Let me see. In security. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen, right? And then.
No. Just make me the host. I will show you what next steps you have to do with your system.
Yeah, I know. I just want to know where I can make you the host.
Okay, go on participants. There they will show
Okay.
my name. Okay, there you have to click on more option more. They will show you.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Just make me the host. There you
Okay, good.
in the modes.
Okay, you got it.
So now because see it's connecting with my system also. Similar thing that we have did on your system. So the same screen they have shown on your system also. Now we will see
Uh-huh.
what next we need to do. So this is your EC2 instance running on your system. Okay. Now
Yep.
what you have to do, you have to go on Google, click on Google. Okay.
Okay.
Then see in your search bar, you will see service manager option. Just let me show it again. So in when you will see your Windows option, there will be a Windows option. Just click on that Windows option, and here you will see a server manager option. Go there. Then you will see this screen here. So inside this, you have to go to the local server. Inside this local server, you will see IE enhanced configuration. Just it is on here, cut it and say off. Okay, because it is for security configuration. They will ask you regarding the security. You have to just put it off, and the user also you will put off and just click it as OK.
Wait, okay, so let me see if I am following you. I
Yes.
am in the local. Okay, I click on the local server.
Yeah, on the local server, you will see this window. Okay.
And I will see the window. Uh-huh.
Then inside this window, you have to go to this option, IE Enhanced Security Service Configuration.
And enhance. Okay. Can you go a little bit back? I just want to make sure I didn't lose track.
Okay. Yeah, share your screen.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Okay, now you have to click on the local server here. Yeah, here you will see this. I go in the next column. Yeah, this service go. It is on. Click on it. Here you can go put off of on administration side also and the user side also. Okay, and click on OK. Then you will see here one option is there, window defender firewall in the first column. Yeah, it is on. Put it off.
I click here.
Hmm? Yeah, you have to turn off your firewall. Just put it off. Yeah. Yeah, put it all the options as off. Yeah, private firewall is on, put it off. Turn off everything.
Okay, off. Okay, everything is off. Okay, so everything is off right here. Off. So that's it. Off.
Okay.
I mean, it says on, but
On.
I
Again,
did it
you
off.
click on. Okay, this is on. See, domain network turn on. Okay, turn on. Go down. What's the problem there? Just can you allow me the remote access? Just go on this share screen.
Okay.
Okay, and then there you will see an option. They will say remote access, and click on my name.
Got it.
Okay, so let me just take. Just scroll the screen down. It's not scrolling down.
Oh,
Just let me check.
now it's gone. So
Yeah,
I have
actually,
to.
what happens when you put a setup, they will ask you for a limited time of setup. They will put.
Oh, okay.
See, some of the there is some reason remote desktop cannot connect to remote compute for one of these reasons. See, there is network issue from your side. Let me check. See, they are not able to connect with your instance.
It has a public IP enable and
See, just select the file from your system.
okay.
See, there's an issue with your system. Just delete everything.
Okay.
And again restart it, because session manager is saying that there is an issue with your setup. Either see three issues are there. Your AWS system manager quick setup is required. Just let me check.
Oh, I can create a new instance.
Yes, there's an issue with your system. So I'm just explaining you the complete lab. Then just go and try it from the starting with your system. Okay.
Okay.
And then you feel any issue regarding that, please let me know. Okay. So please
Okay.
again.
Got it. See.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
If my default value is off, so you like to have this private as off. Okay.
Oh, how private off. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Just remember this. Then what? Once these two things are done, then what you have to do? You have to go to some Google platform, or you can enable from Internet Explorer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as you click there, you will type just Google. Okay. Go on Google and search. Server. Let me check. So you have to now connect it with the web server. So you need to download a web server for your laptop. So web platform installer being required. So just go on this official site of ISC site, web platform installer. Okay, click on it and you will see install this extension of web platform installer. Go there and click on this instance. So
Got it.
download an extension for you, and then you have to just run this extension. So as soon as you will run, they will show you this window, installer setup, accept the values and just say install.
Okay.
Then they will just start installing and just click on finish.
Got it.
Now you have to search some. You have to go and search this installer, Microsoft Web installer you have installed. So you have to just.
Okay.
So they will start a web platform installer for you. After that, you can see there will be multiple options. You have to go and select in the applications. Inside application, you have to search MySQL, because we have created a MySQL engine. We want a MySQL engine in our system. So you have to go and click on MySQL, and they will show you the search options. So there will be a MySQL option, Windows 5.5. You have to just go and add it. Or you can say, you can take any of the version 5.1. This is the latest one, 5.5. So just add it and just click on install.
5.5. Okay.
So they will ask you for the password, database password that you have created. Okay. So just you have to create a new password here. For the database, MySQL database requires a password. So your username is root and you need a password to exit it. So they are creating a password for MySQL database. Username will be root and this will be your password, and just continue. So now they will ask you to download this 99.01 MB file. Just accept it. Okay, now just exit it. Close everything. Now go on your CLI, open your CLI. So as soon now we will are able to directly access the MySQL from your CLI. One thing you can also do to add the extension, go on the search bar. There you will find a search bar inside this column. Okay, one is Windows button.
Oh, bless you.
So you can easily search here your CLI. Okay, they will open a CLI for you. Your command prompt will be there.
Okay.
Now see, this is the command prompt you are working on. Now what you have to type, that is important, because we want to connect Windows server with the AWS server. So what all things we need to add? So first of all, it should be in your C drive. User administration permission should be there. So you will say MySQL. I want to access the MySQL. Right. This is the address from where you want to access it. So -h, you will write -h.
Okay.
You try to understand this code very much severely. Then you have to provide the address, which address you want to access. So you have to go on RDS. Now inside RDS you have created this database. Okay, go on this database. And this is the database you have created for MySQL. Now you have to go and copy this access endpoint, because you have to run this endpoint on your Windows server. So you have to just and type in your CLI the address of your MySQL AWS MySQL endpoint server. Okay, so MySQL -h means you have to connect it with HTTP server, and you have to give the endpoint, or you can say the CNAME, which address you want to access. Okay, then the username of this address, the username that you have given to your this database when you are creating it. So we are given the database name as DB1 database, but the real name that we have given this database while you were creating the user, it was admin. So you have to provide the admin permission to it. Then you have to provide the password. For password, you have to type -p and the password that you have given. And then the DB1 name, the name of the database you want to access. Okay. So
Okay.
you have to enter the password, which password you have provided when you were creating it. So just write the password. And now you will see that they are saying welcome to MySQL monitor. Now you can easily create the database inside the MySQL. You can create a complete MySQL database here. Okay. So
Okay.
did we this is running where? This is running on AWS account. Okay, this is on AWS. It is running everything. That is the CPU, RAM, and everything is taken from EC2 instance. The tire you have selected there, T2 tire micro, it is using same, it is not using the RAM and CPU of your system. They are using the RAM and CPU of EC2 instance. Inside this EC2 instance, this MySQL you have created, the RDS database. But now you can access it in your own Windows because you have connected it with the Windows, and you can easily do anything regarding the MySQL inside your Windows server. Getting it?
Wow. Wow, I like that. I like the Windows instance. The Windows server is easier than the Linux. I mean, for me.
Everything is clear?
Yeah, everything is clear. Thank you.
So now in the end, what you need to do, you can create anything on this server. And
wow.
Go and close. You have to first of all go and close everything. So in the server manager, go again. Local server again. And you have to enable everything again. Okay, configuration.
Okay.
You have turned it off. Now you have to turn it again. Private, you have taken. So these are very much important. If you will not do this step of off and on, okay, you will never be able to get inside the Windows server because your firewall will be there between your Windows and AWS.
Okay, got it.
So you have to enable it. The security configuration, you have to enable it. You have to break this wall, and then you will be able to connect with AWS account. Everything is done?
Yeah, everything is clear. I create another instance, and you know what, I'm gonna watch the video and follow the steps.
Just run everything on your system, and still you face any issue with that, please be free to ask about the topic. Okay. So this was the relational database we have studied. See, in the class, you have never asked me what is relational database, first of all. The most basic question you should... You are just, like what I am doing, you are just following that, but you should ask, like, what is relational database? Database, what is database, first of all? Because you are...
Okay.
I felt that you are very much new to the technological world, so you are not very much clear, like, what actually is data.
Data.
Right?
Information, maybe.
Data, then database, 3 terms are there, and database system. Okay, then it comes like the parts of database. One is relational database and non-relational database. So some companies follow this, some companies follow this, why they follow, why they don't follow. So you should be very much strong in that, then only you will be able to create, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know, get to know that you for your company or for your purpose, you want to create a relational database. There is a condition that that requires you have to create a non-relational database. So I'm
Okay.
from very much basics, but still you face anything, just let me know.
Okay, got it.
So I'm starting from what is data. Okay, just let me, just give me a minute. So see, first of all, you need to understand what is data, right? So if I quote it in simple words, data can be some facts, okay, that is related to any object, right?
Okay.
So say uh, your age, your qualification, your address, okay, all these things is related to an object, and the object is you, right?
Okay, got it.
So data. Now this data is relevant to you, okay?
Uh-huh.
Maybe it is no use to me, but still it is a data because it is related to a particular object, right?
Got it. Mm-hmm.
Getting it? So this information about you, some facts about you, is known as data. It can be in any of the form. Say Facebook. On Facebook, some random person have shared that they are sitting in any cafe. They are gone to McDonald's today. They have taken a new laptop. Okay, they are with some XYZ people. So what is all this? This is a some facts related to that X person, right?
Okay.
So what is all this about this X person? These are all data. Maybe you don't know this person, right? And this all data is a waste for you, okay?
Uh-huh.
But still data, and it is important for Facebook, and specifically to this person, it is important. So anything, okay, which is providing any information about any particular object, either relevant, non-relevant, okay,
Okay.
can be can you can say it is a data, right?
Got it. Relevant, no relevant. Okay.
Now the next term comes in. What is a database? Okay, so it is a systematic collection of data. Nothing else but a systematic collection of data. Okay, so say
Okay.
you have 4 boxes, right? These are the 4 boxes you have of glass. Okay, now you
Okay.
have to arrange them, okay, inside this room. This is a room. Inside this, you have to arrange these boxes. Okay, and this is the gate from which you can enter. Okay, now you can arrange these boxes either like this, horizontal, one on the top of the other, one way, but there is a chance that one will break. Like if you are placing them vertically, one can break. So this is the one way of arranging a box. What you can do in the single room, you can arrange all the boxes like this. Second way of arranging a box. But if you will enter and you want to reach to this box, how you will reach? So there is an issue with this. Another way you can do arrange the boxes, like you can in a particular corner, you can arrange them like this. Okay.
Okay.
Multiple ways in which you can arrange the data. So what is database is a systematic collection of data. This is
Of data.
you can arrange in multiple forms, but the way you are using it, it should be automated or optimized way of selecting it,
Okay, perfect.
so that this data is useful to us and we are able to understand it. Databases support storage and manipulation of data. So why we want a database? First of all, so that we can store data inside a container, inside a file or somewhere, so that we can collectively access them. Okay, and menu
Okay.
means we can use this information later on, right? So that's
Got it.
what database is doing. Database is storing storing your data, as well as you can afterwards manipulate the data also. Getting it? Either you can
Okay.
box out, you can break this box into next 2 parts. Anything you can do using these informations.
Perfect. Okay. Systematic collection of data.
Yeah. So what are the examples? What companies are using this database? Facebook is using. Telecom is using. All the telecom companies. Amazon is using. So, see, there is, I think so, 125 crore of accounts on Facebook. Maybe more.
What is that, bro?
This is a number like lakhs, crores, no?
Oh, okay, okay.
So there are 125, more than 125 crores of accounts, or you can say 125 millions of accounts right now with Facebook.
Okay, got it.
Everybody is generating some data, but accessing the Facebook account is free, right? You can just create your free account on Facebook. You can talk to millions of people on Facebook, right? You can do anything on Facebook. Okay, but it's still free,
Cool.
right? Then why Mark Zuckerberg is one of the top most, you can say, billionaire?
Millionaires,
Not millionaire. He's not a millionaire. He's a billionaire.
He's a billionaire. Yeah. He's a
Much money he has. So why, from where he is earning money if he is providing everything of free? They are accessing everything on the basis of data you provide. Like what they do, say today I am going to McDonald's, I have posted it, right? Then I will visit, I have shopped an Apple smartphone, right? Then I have gone to the Zara store for buying something, right? So what this Facebook person is doing, Mark Zuckerberg is doing, they will send this data or use this data and send to these companies that X customers today have gone to McDonald's. So McDonald's people will know how many people are coming to my store, and KFC people will also know why people are not coming to my store, right? So they are providing the information to other companies. They are sending Apple app popularity. If you will post anything on Facebook, it will be viral, right? People will know that okay, Apple is a brand and it is sending us very much good smartphones. So more people will be attracted. So fortunately or unfortunately, you are doing a advertisement of these companies on Facebook. And what Mark Zuckerberg is doing, you are doing the advertisement by posting your every information on Facebook. But that Mark Zuckerberg is selling that advertisement to these companies that I am doing your advertisement.
And that's how he got paid. Wow.
Yeah. So all these companies will pay to Mark Zuckerberg for providing the data. So what a recent news was there that US government has called this Mark Zuckerberg, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, and Satya Nadella and everyone, and they asked that are you selling the data of your customers to other companies? So they said yes, we are selling.
Oh, because wow.
They asked that are you able to access their personal information? Like if you are searching anything on Google, right? So they will know that what you are searching, what you are viewing. So Mark Zuckerberg and Sundar Pichai and everybody, the CEO of all the big companies, said yes, we can access. But there are some policies that we follow that we don't see the what our customer is doing, but we can follow. So so just imagine on Google, you are searching for shoes, sport shoes you want, you are searching on Google. So now as soon as you will search anything on Google, okay, what you will see that when you are accessing your Facebook account, you will see some advertisements related to the sports shoes. So how you have searched on Google, but how this Facebook person knows that you are interested in sports shoes?
That's exactly how Facebook knows.
So they are sending your data to Facebook, to other companies, to every companies they are sending, and they are charging money for that. So that say data is the new currency. That if a person has data, if a person has information about anything, they are ruling the world.
Wow.
Getting it?
Wow. Yeah, I got it. I mean, I learned something very interesting.
It is very much important. What is important? Data is very much important.
It's like more important than money because, I mean.
Yeah, because if you have data, you can earn money. Simplest as that. The more data you have, the more money you can easily make. Because everything is working on data nowadays. See, these are the chunks of blocks. This is your details you have filled on Facebook. Like your age you have sent, your email ID you have created, your sometimes address, don't say address, contact number you are sending to Facebook. On Google, you are searching your queries daily, like tell me what to eat today. Right? What should means say you are trying to lose weight, for example, okay? So you will search ways to lose weight. what should I eat to lose weight. So now Google know that this person is trying to lose weight. Getting it?
Got it.
This person, Google, will send data to Amazon, Facebook, and every other companies that this person with this XYZ email ID, okay, is trying to lose weight. So on your Facebook, you will see the products that will help you in losing weights. On Amazon, you will go and they will show you in recommendations that these chia seeds or these seeds and all will help you in losing weight. Getting it?
Damn, yeah.
So what they're doing, every single information you are giving to internet nowadays. Okay, like you talk to Amazon. When you talk to Alexa, Alexa nowadays is in every home. For sure. Later on, people will not talk to each other, they will talk directly to Alexa or Siri.
What is the weather?
Yeah, what's the weather? Means if you are asking for weather, means you are willing to go out, maybe.
Yes.
There must be a reason. If you're asking what's the traffic in XYZ road, Alexa, tell me the traffic updates about XYZ road. So it is a possibility that you are trying to go on that route. So what Alexa is doing, Alexa is taking your all the information, searching on Google, right? Google people will getting the data and they're transferring to multiple companies. So they will know on entire day what you're doing. Nowadays, if you put on Alexa, and if two people are talking, say A and B are talking, so Alexa is listening everything. So Alexa know what two people are talking. So all the discussion between these two people, Alexa is able to hear. Means if Alexa is able to hear, Mark Zuckerberg, Sundar Pichai, everybody, all the CEOs of all these companies are listening to your discussions. Getting it?
Wow. Yeah.
That's true. Is very much you can say it is a disaster also. It can create a disaster to another human being and it can make you a billionaire too. It's how you are using. Getting it?
Wow. Yeah.
So now coming back to I'm just trying to give you a complete overview, complete picture, like what is actually a database.
Okay. Yeah, it's good to good to know.
So now what is database management system? How the data is managed? How Facebook people are managing this data? It is known as DBMS. So what you can say, a DBMS is a collection of programs which enables the user to access databases, manipulate the database, reporting or anything needs to be reporting in the database, or representation of data. So using this service, okay, you can access the database, means you can create the database, you can do any changes you want to do in the database, you can completely represent your database, the data you want to see. So some of the engines which will help you, one is MySQL, one is DynamoDB, one is NoSQL. So these services will help you to arrange your data like this in the form of rows and columns or like this, so that you can easily manage your data. So like say there is an ex user on Facebook. Okay. So what they are trying to do, they have created an account. So like this, inside a row there will be, so this is my first customer, username, password, right? So say my user, this is my first customer, serial number, like you can say, this is my customer.com, this is the username and the password they have given, some password they have given. Another column, another row for the next customer, similarly password. So this is a database Facebook is maintaining when you want to log into this database. So say this is your Facebook dashboard. So inside the Facebook, as soon as you enter, they will ask you, give me your username and give me your password, so that you can log in into your account, right? This is the platform they're using. Now what they do,
Okay.
this is what? This is a web application. And this is the backend data they are using. This is the data. So now, as soon as this X customer comes in and write x.com is my username and this is my password. So, and as soon as they click on this login button, this will go to this database and check, is there any customer whose username matches this username and whose password is similar as to this password. If yes, they will allow you to access the account. Otherwise, they will say, tell you wrong password or wrong username. They will not able to enter. So what they are doing, they are storing your information into a database, right? And in that database, all the time you can access your data. So say now how much data Facebook has, like we are talking in millions. So millions and columns this Facebook person has.
Wow.
Our login information. Then what they do, next step, what they do? Now you are inside your account, x.com account. Right? This X person has provided the information about his age. Right? You can say the contact number, email, and say on which date. So on second date, they do this work. On third, they do this work. So they are maintaining all your data. And then they will take this data and send to other companies and earn money.
And sell it. And don't give me anything to me.
No, they are giving you entertainment. They are connecting you with one another. What they say. Can make a large contact. You can connect with people. Why you use Facebook? Just tell me. Why?
I don't use Facebook a lot, but I use when I use Facebook with to talk to friends.
Yeah. So what you are making network. So the more you connect with people, the more Mark Zuckerberg will earn.
So nothing is free in this world. Nothing is free. It comes with a price.
See, he's not a fool that he will
say, oh yes, it's free.
Everybody thinks that creating an account on Facebook and everything we are doing is for like we are doing very much important work on Facebook, but we are not. Unless you want to create a network, you want to share some information with your friends. Other than that, Facebook has no use. Oh God, I should don't say this on internet. Maybe that Zoom person is recording my thing and they'll tell Mark Zuckerberg.
Really? No, say that. I have to learn.
Everything is possible. See, now there's no privacy breach. Anybody can hack anything. You can't, you have to be very much safe. See, now we are open to this complete world. As soon as you are accessing your Wi-Fi, your internet, as soon as you click on this, you are open this to whole world. There is no privacy.
There is no privacy. Yeah.
Everybody will have your IP address. The most important thing. Everybody will have your IP address. Everybody will know your location. They will know what. They will know everything about it.
Even they are watching me on the my computer.
They are monitoring you. They are continuously monitoring you. Like right now, this person is on Zoom and talking to some person or having a meeting. They are recording it that this ID, say my ID, this Kanika person spends daily 2 hours from 8 to 10 on Zoom. She's not doing anything else. She will be there and they are monitoring you continuously, no? So they know that Zoom is very much important to Kanika. So
yeah,
next day what happens? Zoom prices will increase. Zoom popularity will increase.
because of the data they are sharing.
Yes.
That's why they get paid.
Not listening what we are talking, but they at least know that this person, these people continuously spend 2 hours on Zoom, right? Whatsoever they are doing meetings or they are sharing important data or they are generally just two friends talking to each other. They doesn't know this. Okay, maybe they can access, no issues with that, but at least they know your timetable, your routine, they know. Everything they can access from that. They know your IP address, they know your location. What else you want? There is no privacy. You can't hide anything from the world of internet because internet is like network, you can say, a complete network. As soon as you enter this network, everybody knows what you're doing. Getting it?
Yes. Wow.
Now,
okay.
Now the next thing is types of data bases. Okay, so what are the types of databases? So there can be multiple types of databases that you can have. First is hierarchical. Second is network. Third type of database is relational database. And fourth type of database is object database. Object oriented. Okay, these are the four types of databases that are provided to us. Right?
So what? Yeah. And so what are the?
Yeah, we are dealing with relational database with AWS concept. They are used in different fields, but right now we will focus on relational because we are dealing with AWS.
Okay.
So, see, you need me to start with relational database, or we should discuss some concepts. Then we will start with relational database. See now.
Relational. I have a question.
Yeah.
The word the word relational database. I mean relational means
Yeah, I'll take a complete
But that means,
relational database and how it works and everything.
okay.
Don't have that issue. I was not knowing that you're not from technical field. That's why
Mm-hmm.
I'm very much into advanced part. But as I'm clear now that you need a little bit basics of understandings related to
Yeah.
the topic, I will start it from very much scratch, no issue. So what you can do, one thing that I feel, some introduction about EC2, EBS, and S3 you require. VPC also is required. Okay, these are the important things you need to know. So once you will complete a database part, right, then we can start with one of them, one by one. Then we
Okay.
to the next topics that are required. Okay, so
Okay. Got it.
so from my side, like 10 classes we have taken.
Uh-huh.
Okay, means 10 hours are complete. Next 10 hours are left because you have paid, I think so, for 20 hours.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah, 10 hours are complete, 10 hours are left. So hopefully, let's see how much we'll able to complete in 10 hours
Got it.
regarding the classes. Because my concern is with you that you are very much new to the topics. But
Yeah.
I'll only cover the part that is required with the AWS. Very much basic topic oriented. That will be used in your AWS exam point of view. Okay.
Yeah. True.
I'll not take you very much depth into the IT sector. Okay. I'll strictly be dealing with you regarding your AWS exam.
Okay.
All the things that will be important, we will just go and understand them, and then we can easily make you understand the theoretical part as well as the practical one.
Okay. Got it.
Got it? Yeah.
So yeah, I agree. Yeah, we have to go to all these basics. So I mean, EC2, EBS, BPC, SS3, S3. Yeah, I don't know how many classes we
Just
will
tell me the
have.
duration you have for your exam.
Where I'm planning to take the test.
Yeah.
I will try next month or at the end of this month.
Okay. See, if we'll continue with like this daily, excluding your Saturdays, then till 15th, 10 hours will be there. Till 15th, we'll able to complete the 10-hour sessions. Okay. After that, we
Okay,
see how much is left, and then we can. I think so. Like till 25th, I'll be able to complete your course.
25 hours.
Just a minute. Let me just calculate. See, I thought I'll complete everything that you have given me in 20 hours, but it
Okay,
is on the specific knowledge about it now. So let's see after 10 hours. Okay,
okay,
10 hours. Then you will see what all topics are left. Then we can just check how much time we need to invest because my practicals are also there.
Oh, yeah, of course.
My exams are also there, so I need to prepare for that.
Oh, okay. You got exams.
Yes.
Okay,
So let's see after 15th how much topic is left and what we need to learn. Then we will
okay,
select
perfect.
timing. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
So let's start with the relational database. So for this relational database, see what happens. Just try to imagine that you are a student. Okay. This is one database, okay, a sheet inside which here is your roll number of all the students, name of student, and contact number. Or you can say in which year the student is studying. Okay, these are the information a college administration has. So say you are currently in USA. Okay.
Okay.
You have completed your graduation. Right. Now for any of your job purpose or further studies, you want to shift to another country, say Australia you want to go. Right. Now you everything about your academics in Australia. Like all the about your college, all your academic records, how you performed, and all the activities you have done here in your either in your job purpose or your master's degree you will require. So how you will how the college, the graduation college will provide all these details with this company or to this university. So say this is a system your college people have designed for keeping the information of the students. So say your usually say 17 CSE 040. So this is the number that is given to you. You can say this is your college ID. They give you particular college ID or enrollment. When you enroll in your any university, they give you an enrollment number, which is it only belongs to you. Nobody else in that college will have this number. Right?
Got it.
So this number has some information inside this. Like this is like you have joined in 2017. CSE means the branch you are following is CSE. 040 is the number, like you are the 40th number of student who has joined in 2007 the CSE department. So this enrollment number specifically defines all the information about you. And it is unique.
Okay, got it.
So they will provide you with a unique ID, say 17 CSE 040. Say another student has 17 CSE 001, the first student. CSE 00, second student, like this. And they are providing you, this is your name, the name can be similar, no issue. In which year, you are in first year, say. Okay, now this is the basic information that a college has for a student. Now, what they did, using this roll number, they have created another database. Okay, inside this database, for this particular roll number, for every roll number, they will assign which subject you are studying, right? Or which city you live in, from which state you have come to this university. So say subject you are studying DBMS, database management system. City you are living in California. State you are using USA. Something like this. Every information about you. But instead of using name and year, you have directly taken this roll number. Right? So using this subject, okay, they will create another table.
Okay, perfect.
In this table, what they will say, this is the subject, teacher who is studying, who will teach this subject, right? How much duration this subject takes to study, and when will be the exam, all these things. So say the subject you are studying is DBMS. So DBMS teacher is some Z person, duration 2 hours they will take, and paper will be on XYZ date. Similarly, for next student who is studying next subject, say operating system, the teacher will give Y, the duration and this. So here they have used your subject from your data set. Now, what they can do again using roll number, they can create another table. Okay, that this is the roll number of the person, this is the address of the person, this will be the contact number, this is the father or mother name. So 17 CSC something, your address, your contact number, and your father or mother name. So what they are doing, they are using one particular ID which is unique. Every student have a unique one, or you can say this is a primary key. Okay, which is very much unique to every individual person. Using this, they are creating multiple databases. Right? When they create a scenario where one table, one database is related to another, one database is related to another, another database is related to another, such type of databases which are connected to each other or related to each other are known as relational databases. Because every database have relation with another database.
Okay, got it.
So if you have a particular roll number or ID of a single student, you can easily know that what is it, names, year, subject, city. You can easily know the name. Just a minute, let me change the color. You will easily get to know the name, year, subject, city, state, teacher from whom they have studied, the duration they have studied, how many marks or something they get, what is their address, what is their contact number, what are their fathers or mother name. So a single student's information is being kept in different databases. So you can say first table. This first table, okay, is related to the admin part of your college. This table is related to the management part of your college. Management department has this table. This table is with the teachers who are creating the timetable. This is with the exam department. So every department have different tables. But what is common? The roll number is common. The unique ID about you is common. Because every department requires different details. Right? Fees department. Say there's a fees department in your system. They don't require your subject or teacher or duration. They only require, does this person has paid their fees or not. So they will go on your roll number, say 17 CSC roll number, and they will check. Either you have filled your 2017 fees, 2018 fees, 2019 fees. But if you want to know the complete information of this student, you can directly contact to the admin department and they will tell you every name, year and everything about that student. So
okay,
these databases are where databases are related and connected to each other. We are this type of system is known as relational database system.
relational database. Okay.
This is clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Now what happens? One property of relational database that you cannot leave any of the. Okay, I'll tell you later on. So it's only 4 minutes left. I'll start the complete theoretical parts tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Either start, then it will be left. So I'll start afresh from tomorrow, the relational database.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Good night. Take care.
Oh, thank you, Hanika. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
thank you. I understand very well. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.